Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Farm Life and Family. I'm with Louie. It's Saturday, December 15, and we're currently heading to the countryside to check the progress of the tiny house construction. So, remember last week we made some improvement. We extended the balcony a little bit so we can accommodate more guests. So, Papa mentioned that they already put a cement chair around it and made a finishing touch already. So I'm gonna check that out today. So let's see what we can do there. I'm excited to see Mama and Papa because I haven't seen them for a week. So maybe we can also cook or grill some barbecue in the countryside. So we'll be traveling for about an hour, and then what I'm gonna do, I'll take you with me today as I go along and vlog this day in the life. So yeah, thank you so much as well for being here, and for those subscribers who just recently subscribed to the channel. Welcome everyone to a day in the life. I hope you will like the video. See you later. So guys, update, it's already 11 in the morning. We just arrived here in the countryside, so we just parked the vehicle here, and then we just need to walk a little bit, like maybe 5 minutes walk or 3 minutes walk up there. Mama doesn't know that we're here, so she will be surprised. We're just gonna unload the stuff that we got. Pretty much, we just brought rice, fish, and pork to grill, and some feeds for the chicken. Okay, guys, so we're here now. We can see the roof of the tiny house, and Jimmy is carrying the rice. It's so muddy here because it rained last night. Mama is there already. Ma, sugata ko be. Kuhaan ning iring. Mudidi pa man good siya. Mother, how are you? Hi, Ma. How are you here? Isulod sa na dito. Oh, the kids is here already. Oh. Huh? So the kids already noticed that I'm here. Our neighbor kids, so they really love to drop by if we're here. Hi, come here. Bliss. Hi, Kimmy. Kimmy is there already. Dali, Bliss. Where's Adi? Palunga sa ang radio ma, kay makapirights ta ma. What's that? Bless Kimmy. Where's Adi? Hi, King. Oh, so they already have a cement chair. And this one. Oh, they already finished the cement chair, guys. Oh, it's so nice. And they already put finishing. So maybe we can paint this color. What color do you like? Kobe. Wow, they have chairs na oh. Oh, nice na. Ba't ganun naman yung screen?
May mga manok ang ulod. Ang iti.
Hi, Father. Say hi. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So, he's opening the pasalubong. Jimmy! How are you? Jim, how are you, Jim? Say hi to your subscriber. So, this is the situation here. So, the kids is already here. Kids are. Okay, maybe we will grill pork and fish for lunch. So we bought rice. Shout out to Tating for the rice. Do you have coffee, Ma? Okay, I'll just... Hi! Akong iring, oh. Nagluya man. They have new cat here, oh. What's the name of this cat? Kikik? Kikik.
Si Kiki.
Kobe, what are you doing?
Ano sa kay birthday de?
Adi is here. Bless Adi.
Ano sa birthday?
20.
Ang birthday?
And Guy Guy, their mother. Hi, mother. So it's so quiet here. What are you going to cook? Grilled. Wala ay. Unsa day na te? Unsa iingon? Thank you. Thank you. Lame? Sarap? Sarap, ade? Asa imong gilimpisaan, ma?
To?
Mm,
Lubot sa payang.
okay. Uy, mahal na nagbayro nun, ani, kay
Apoy ka manghurnal ah.
pakyawan day ni. Pakyawan day ni, ma?
Kapul manghurnal.
Uy, dagko na yung lemon, oh.
Sawak.
Napo na diri, oh. Dako na la. Hawa na siya. Jimmy is preparing the fire for the grilling of the pork. Jimmy! Jim! Jimmy!
Pagilo pag sa mga pansit. Tawag lingkod.
I have coffee.
Hello. Diga na ba itong pants? Diga na mag-pants.
Hello, asin them.
Coffee, everyone. It's already 11 in the 11 noon time. We will be having a lunch.
Tanner, may siguro na.
May kay saging.
Yung agtay na, ma?
Bulang. Karon na wala naayo na gyud siya sa tibagnon ba. Wala tibagnon. Itong una, wala yung makaon sa isa ka bulig. Gara ka dawin. Karon na, wala ng tibagnon. Hindi naman. Kanang kuande no? Tagbot. Bagnot. Ano matibagnol.
Gilimpisaan ninyo.
Bilo naman yung giaso.
Hindi man masuhan.
Giasuhan. Asu-asuhan.
Kape and biscuit. So every Filipino love rice. So that's why rice is life here in the Philippines. Louis is grilling.
Ang bangko nila kimi kanang taas.
Wala mo naman ang bangko ate Bel dito mo.
Hindi na. Pero na lagi yung balik ng kanta.
Ano di bahawal po tayo na da.
Ha?
Ada ibu tuh.
Ay, wala na ko ninyo bangko din. Dili lang sa ate o, tapos mo ate. Ay, dira na lang o. Dira o, dira kay taas. Dahil na. Lang mo na. Ay, sila dito.
Kamay kanon sa sudan.
Dili na pa.
Tukul. Wala, Ren. Ito.
Tuyo diha o, te o. Kaya kuka. Ay, nara may bangko di mo sa ilalong dyan. Hoy, manyod to. Sabi niya, ito ba? Mahal.
Iya, saya tulog.
Nagaka
ba?
Guys, kanon diri guys. Kanon diri. Kanon.
Kanya oh? Kita na rin din dito, Bol.
Ah,
Kita alam sa rin.
di ba? Ito sa bundok.
Ito pa nung bilya ba?
Tindahan.
That's it guys.
Wala to lang sa nila ba? No?
290 ang kilo.
Wala to din.
Kung gani ka tayo, kung tayo wala dito.
Palitan na pala kito ron.
Birthday din mo ron?
Wala birthday, malamang
Uy, happy birthday!
Kuy.
Dirty mo na iron, di mo na eh.
Birthday din mo ron, wala ko kabalo.
Imbo na yun ako ng isa ron.
Happy birthday kuya.
Parehara din mo bulan, ade. Halang-halang tagmanok. Ay, kanang
Ah.
ano?
Sabaw ta, magsabaw ta. Isa lang good kabuk.
Kanang tagmin.
Balik ni Bart. Balik ka dito. Baad. Aw, para lang ni. Ingantong ko dito ba?
Medya kilo.
Kuya Rene is their dad. It's his birthday today. So we will cook chicken soup. Chicken stew.
Ikaw naman si Jimmy.
Nana de maihaw pa.
Nalang gulo?
Tambok mo na.
Nay kapayas.
Wala eh.
Unsa may isagol na sabaw?
Halang-halang mo likot. Sinapon. Oh, ano siya?
Kung ila ang may
Kung may problema ang
barato
kakao,
ng kakao,
basa.
no? Ning barato, ning baba ang
Pila?
pagkakao ba?
Pila na lang?
Diyos.
Ah, pero di na mababa siguro 100. Mahal medyo ng kakao dyan.
Kailan kilo sa kakao?
Yabot ko nag
Mahal.
350 karon. Dos na lang karon.
Di na mababa na. Mababa ko 100 tayo.
Kan sintos man kay na ina dintar. Kakao. Man, kita.
So guys, if you have cacao tree here in the Philippines, the cacao tree is actually used for the chocolate as an ingredients, the main ingredients for the chocolate. And if you sell the cacao, the dried cacao seeds, before it was about 300 something per kilo, but now it's already down to 200. So it's Kuya Rene's birthday. How old are you, Kuya? 50, 54. So we will be cooking chicken for his birthday.
Pagkanguguan din. Init yan.
Visitor! We have visitor. Hey! Kalaag lagi ka te. Uy! Na si Uncle Danden. Si Koy Koy.
Christmas, boss! Merry Christmas!
Chang Chang. Huy, taligsik ba ya, Koy?
Tris, kurang diferensya na.
Ken.
Alawa dito.
Ako yung kid.
Sa gunting.
Chang, Ah, ching-ching!
Masa ko lagi. Butang mo.
So na,
Di ba kayo magkibaw?
nadiri si Koy Koy agiyahang baby. Baby boy. Oh, smile pa siya. And Kimi.
Gabi, dugay ka na to. Alas 11 na. Alas 11 na sa gabi na tulog.
Ataas sa gilungan ako yun eh.
Wild na si Red.
Wala ko gabit niyo usan niya. Hikiton.
Nagkaon ba yung mama?
Wala na.
Ah, wala na, wala na.
Guba na.
Sayaw daw, sayaw.
Gutom ka. Gutom ka eh.
Sayaw. Sayaw ko.
So they already ate their lunch. They arrive at around 1 p.m.
Ha?
We just finished lunch, so they're the one eating right now. Kimi is here. Koy Koy. They came from
Hindi
Agusan.
na pagsubang sa
Their baby.
Natulog ko man sila. Ay, kumakas na ko dito. Lahat mo ito na po po. Alam niyo. Ayaw magang adlaw nga nabuntag. Pagtataon. Kali ito.
Okay. So we're going to the spring. Woo!